Hello YouTube. Let's write a script which will help us to automatically ping every IP address into external file. So let's define a couple of those addresses. I'm gonna use some of them on my subnet, and you need to exercise caution, as they say, because you don't wanna trigger some firewall out there. So use your localhost. It's fine if you're not sure what you're doing. Why am I writing this script? Because I don't know, you're a system administrator, network penetration tester, and you're just you don't want to waste your time on manually checking IP addresses, so you're searching for some kind of script. So there you go, there is one. This file will be IP source, just textual file that will hold your IP addresses one after another. Okay, so we are cool. Let's go to our script and let's start writing. So we're going to use OS module. OS module do have a system method or function, whatever. You're going to use system when you're calling additional applications. For example, you can call application or application with parameters. So we will learn how to call ping, like without parameters and then with parameters. So let's save this just to check if everything is fine, like floating ping. You will understand later why. Floating ping, and let's run it. And yeah, so OS module is fine, idle is fine. Let's create a little bit working environment right here. Cool, now we can proceed. So let's read our file like this. What this means is that you will here put file, which will be IP source, and you need the state extension. Also, we will need the define alias or handle, whatever, as file or something else. Some people will say, why are you using file, why are you not using something else? Because there can be clashes if script is big, but this script is not big, it's pretty much basic, so there will be no problems, no doubling variables and stuff. Okay, so we are opening this file, which is in this directory, with open and giving a handle to it. But one thing is to open file. We need to read actual content of the file. So how to do that? In dump or result, whatever, we will put results of reading. So file read. It's not enough that we have it, we need to open it. When we open it, we need to extract data. So we will put that data into dump. So let's check if everything is fine. Yep, that's cool. And let's go to command prompt and check that too. Cool. So the next question is, what will happen, for example, if we automatically go and ping these IP addresses? So for X or for IP in dump, we will, let's before ping, for testing purposes, say print IP to see what's going on, because this is not what we need. Okay, this is the problem. We don't want to have this kind of result. So what's the problem? What's the issue? Well, the issue is that you need to employ split line method or function on dump, like this. Dump, new dump will be existing dump when split lines is done with dump. So we are using this beginning dump, and we will use split lines on it, and the results of that we will put here. So it's really not important if you're using same variable or same name or some other name. It's important that you're going to use what is here. Okay, and now when you run your script, we have useful results, and that's fine. Cool. Okay, so let's go to actual ping. How to ping? We will substitute print with ping. Oh, sorry. We need to use OS system. And external app or command will be ping, and then if you type plus IP, what's gonna be? You know, this is simple, but will this be correct? Let's see. Something is going on, but we cannot see what. Oh, so see this? We have these two concatenated, so we need to split this. Just type space here, and then everything will be fine. So that's about it. So script works, but we need a lot of improvement here. Okay, what if you want to pass parameters, for example? Well, maybe there is a better option. So let's say that you need to pass parameters, like how many pings you want to that specific IP. I'm on Windows and I will use n, and then after n you need to specify the amount of pings, and I'm gonna use 2 because 4 is basically too much. It's time consuming. And now how to pass in some normal manner our IP to this command. What you need to do is to use these placeholders or abstract place where you will need put actual data. So think about this as an abstract place where actual data need to be put. So how to do that? Just type here after comma, or what's the term in quote? Yeah, single quote in English. So just type format, okay, and then open normal brackets and put actual data, and the actual data we will put from dump through IP, okay, IP, and now system will work also fine. So let's run our script, and there you go. Cool. But that's not enough, okay? You need something more understandable. For example, for every IP that is operative at the moment, you just wanna see that IP inside of your command prompt, and not this wall of text, you know, because if you have 100 addresses, it will be nonsense to look at the screen into this way, okay? So let's use clear screen. What clear screen will for every IP address like provide you a new view or interface, or use any other term you see fit. So let's use here OS system clear screen for every pass, and before that, oh sorry, after that, we will print something nice for user, like pinging now what IP, and what else? Yeah, we can use some horizontal breaks here, as they say into web dev. For example, we will print for I don't know, 60 times, and we can use that at the end of operation. So I think we are good. Okay, let's run program, and there you go. For every IP at the top there is this kind of header or something like header. Of course you can improve it a lot. For example, yeah, you can put 4 here because maybe 2 is too quick, and there you go. Okay, now how to, this can be dangerous because, you know, firewalls can react differently. I mean, in this way or another you can be punished because of your actions. So let's implement the pause between pings. How to do that? We'll use time module, import time, and after every operation the pass need to go to sleep. So let's say right here, time need to go to sleep for seconds 5. Okay, you can put 2 seconds, 10, I don't know, it depends how cautious you are. So let run our program again, and there you go. Now 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, that's about it. A really simple script. There is no error checking, and when IP address is not reachable, you will see just that destination is not reachable, but you will not get some kind of error checking. It's really simple stuff. For example, if IP address is not existing, like let's remove this. Let's change this to something which doesn't exist. So when we run our program now, or script, what will happen is, I mean, normal results, destination host is unreachable. No error checking, but you know, at least it's better to do things like this automatically for 100 or 1000 IPs out there. If you're doing something, then you know, do that manually. So yeah, let's go one more time through source. So we are calling two modules, OS and time. OS because we need a system to run applications inside of your Windows. We need the time because we wanna, after pinging one address, to pause between pings. We will read file IP source with a bunch of IP addresses. The handle will be file. Then we need to read file, and then we need to split lines because that's what we need to do if we wanna every IP as a unique entry on a horizontal line. Let's use that term, and then we will need to go through bunch of those IPs, or like this, for specific IP in these results. Employ clear screen, which will clean your terminal or command prompt, whatever, and then print this string with concrete IP, then print this like header line or something, and then call ping with parameters or without parameters. In this case, this is the number of pings or number of packets, which is in this case 2. Default is 4. You will put concrete IP into this abstract place. So it goes like this, okay? So you have some kind of string that you need to print, and then you employ this, and then after that you put dot and format and actual data, okay? So this will be fired here. It is just some kind of stupid pseudo code, but you know, it gets the job done. And as I said, pause. So so yeah, that's about it. You know, pretty much the script is done, and you now can you know, just watch your screen, relax a little bit, and don't do these things manually. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for support, and always see you in next tutorial.